In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable S/MIME in Outlook. This process is essential for ensuring secure email communication. By implementing S/MIME, you can encrypt your emails and protect sensitive information. Let's get started with the first step. Open Outlook. As the application launches, you will see your inbox and a familiar layout with folders on the left and your messages displayed in the center. This initial step is crucial because it sets the stage for configuring your secure email settings. Make sure you are logged into the correct account where you want to enable S/MIME. Once you see your inbox, you are ready for the next step. Click on File, which is located in the top left corner of the Outlook window. This action opens a new menu that provides a variety of options related to your Outlook settings. From here, you will find a range of settings to customize your experience. It's important to navigate to the Options menu, as this is where you will access the necessary configuration settings for S/MIME. Once you have clicked File, you can move on to the next step. Select Options from the menu that appears after clicking File. This choice opens the Outlook Options dialog box. Here you will see numerous tabs on the left side. Each tab contains settings to help you personalize your Outlook experience. This step is essential because it allows you to dive deep into the settings and make adjustments specific to your security needs. Now that you are in the Options menu, let's proceed to the next step. Click on Trust Center, located in the left pane of the Outlook Options dialog. The Trust Center is a critical area where you can manage security and privacy settings for Outlook. It is here that you will find options related to email security, ensuring that your communications remain private. Taking the time to navigate to this section is important because it directly relates to the functionality of S/MIME. After selecting Trust Center, we will go deeper into security settings. Click on Trust Center Settings, which you will find in the lower part of the dialog box. This action opens a new window specifically for adjusting Trust Center settings. Here you will see various options, including those for email security, which will be essential for enabling S/MIME. It's important to carefully adjust these settings to suit your organization's security requirements. With this window open, we can now move to the next step. Select Email Security from the list of options in the Trust Center Settings window. This section is dedicated to email encryption and digital signatures, which are fundamental components of S/MIME. In this area, you will have the tools necessary to manage your secure email settings effectively. Understanding this part of Outlook will help you maintain secure communications with your recipients. Once you have selected email security, let's continue. Under Encrypted Email, click on Settings. This action will take you to a new configuration area specifically for encrypted email settings. Here you will manage your digital certificates and algorithms that ensure your emails are securely encrypted. This step is vital because it allows you to customize how your encrypted emails function. After clicking on Settings, you're almost done with this part of the setup. Under Certificates and Algorithms, click Choose and select your S/MIME certificate. This is a critical step where you identify the digital certificate you will use for encrypting your emails. Selecting the correct certificate is essential, as both you and the recipient must have compatible certificates for successful communication. This little step saves you a lot of time later by ensuring your settings are applied correctly. After you have made your selection, you will be ready to save your changes. Click OK to save your settings. This action confirms your changes and applies them to Outlook. You should see a confirmation that your settings have been saved successfully. This final step is crucial because it ensures that S/MIME is now enabled in your Outlook application. Once this is done, you're set to send encrypted emails, enhancing your communication security. Remember, S/MIME requires a valid digital certificate for both the sender and recipient. If you don't have a certificate, contact your organization's IT administrator or obtain one from a trusted certificate authority. By following these steps, you have successfully enabled S/MIME in Outlook. Thank you for watching and happy emailing.